Welcome back to another video. This time I'm teaching you how to make this game called Zombie Destroyer, but I name it Destroy Zombies. So it goes like this. The zombies will be here. There's a player. There's some speed potions so you go faster. You use arrow key to move, and there's a healing potion that you can throw it, and if the zombie touches it, it will disappear and you get a score. See? Okay, so it goes like this. And there's a screen here. I mean, title. Okay, so we'll start off with a new project and name it to be Zombie Destroyer, and there's a new sprite. First, I'm going to name this sprite Player. Now go into Costume, just delete this cat costume, both of them. Now we need to make um, the player. I'm going to make it like maybe a little bit larger. Like that. Yay. A little bit smaller, actually. Okay, now we need some eyes. Black eyes. Do, do, like that. Yay. We need some hairs, hands, shoulders, and feet. Yay. Go to the script. Go to events. When green flag click. Forever loop. We need an if. If. Go to sensing. Key. Not mouse down. Key. Up arrow pressed. Change Y by 5. If down arrow key pressed, change Y by -5. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate both of these and change these to right arrow key and left arrow key. Now, we need to delete the change Y by and to change X by. Change X by 5 for the right arrow key press and -5 for the left arrow key press. So now, it will move. Yay. Now, as you can see, the player will always stay at the spot you finished. So like if you finished it over there and you start over, it will still be over there. So I'm going to go to X and Y position, 0 and 0. So it will always go to the center like that. After you stop and press green flag, it will always start at the center. Now, we're going to make a new sprite called Zombie. Why is it called Zombie? Zombie. There. I'm going to make the same thing as the player. So the circle 2 and color green. I'm going to make it bigger. Like this. There. Okay. We need some eyes. I'm going to make it orange. There. Hairs, arms, legs. There. When green flag click, go to events and pick on when green flag click. Hide. Then go to control forever loop. Gotta wait 1 second. Go down and then create a clone of myself. Next up, when I start as a clone, show. go to motion, go to XY operators, pick random, two of them for X and Y. I'm going to put it here so I know to pick random to spot. Okay, pick random for X, negative 192 to 192. For the Y, 125 to negative 125. There. Now it will go to random position. Yeah. Go to control, forever loop. Go to motion, glide 1 second to random position. There. And that's it. We need one more thing. Go to sound, pick loops, and pick one you like. I like the jungle one. So I'm gonna go to code, go to events green flag clicked, go to sound, place on jungle until done, and go to control and a forever loop. And name the zombie destroyer episode 1, ep1. There. So this is the end of this zombie destroyer first episode. So there will be more maybe later. I mean a week. Okay. So this is the end of this episode. Hope you like it and please like and subscribe. Bye.